The following video is a OKAMOTO 612 linear surface grinder. We're going to run a brief video demonstration today. The machine's all manual. It does have electromagnetic chuck, lubrication, manual one-shot lube. First thing we'll do is we'll show the rectifier. Control is on. Just so you can see the mag chuck. Next, what we'll do is we'll show the spindle. Actually, we'll show your manual travels. And you're in and out. Lock the table. And then this is your vertical up and down. Lastly, we'll show you the spindle. Spindle is very quiet on this machine. Overall, the machine's in overall very good condition. Here, the spindle coasting down. Bearings are very quiet. Again, the following video is a OKAMOTO 612 linear manual surface grinder.